All right, hey everyone, welcome back. So I just opened up the brand new care package here. These are coming from South Korea. So these are CarPro products. These are the new 2022 products here. I was just looking at the packing list that came with it here, and looks like Avi sent me pretty much everything other than D cords. I can't get D cords because I'm not an authorized installer. So fair enough. We'll have to wait for the consumer version. I'm sure it's gonna be good. So let's take out some of this stuff here. Okay, so these, according to this packing material, are the bucket wash labels 3-piece set. So I believe it's probably rinse here on the front, wheels in the back. So it's probably wash, rinse, and wheels. So we got those for the bucket. In here, looks like we have a sample of Reload 2.0. So I'm sure most of you are interested in this product to kind of see how it performs. So I do have Reload, the previous version of this one. I don't know, Reload's been tweaked so many times, so is it really Reload 2.0? It should be like Reload 3 or 4.0 at this point. But, we'll try this out. So it's a small sample bottle, which is fine. I don't, this is going to go a long way, this little bottle here. So we'll try this out. And then he sent me a small bottle, sample size of Fabric 2.0, which is fine. I normally don't use fabric type coatings anyway, so this is good enough. It's enough to test it on a carpet or something. So I'll go ahead and play around with that. So we'll showcase that product. He sent me Release, so it's a full bottle. For those of you that don't know what Release is, this is basically short-term. It says right here, short-term protection for ceramic coatings, post-coating pre-delivery. So if you want to release this is where the name comes from. You want to release the car to your customer like an hour after you're done, you use this product. It's going to protect the coating during the curing time frame. And again, it's short-term durability, unlike Reload, not Reload 2.0, which was often used in that regard. But Reload couldn't be used over SIC. I believe this can be used over SIC. I'd have to find out from Avi, but I'm pretty sure it can. You can see it there. It can be used as a standalone quick detailer. Protects against bugs and moisture, quick and easy to apply. So we'll go ahead and try this out. Here's the directions here, so you guys can actually see it. Shake well, spray release over the surface, spread evenly, and use a second towel to wipe off. Test on inconspicuous area before use. Recommend eye, skin, and respirator protection. Keep out of reach of children. Store in a dry, cool place. So we'll play around with this product. I can use it as a standalone and also as a coating topper. I got to figure that out because I normally don't coat too many vehicles here. And then he sent me Dark Side, which is their new tire and rubber sealant. So the bottle's cool. It's got a nice purple label on it. You can see highly hydrophobic, satin black shine, 3+ months of durability, UV resistant, low VOC, highly concentrated, 60%. Trying to read this through the thing, but I got glare. Polydimethyl silazane. Say that 10 times fast. And here's the application of it. Clean and dry tires thoroughly. Recommend CarPro retired. Squirt Dark Side 2 to 3 times on a tire applicator or CarPro microfiber applicator and apply over the tire wall. Avoid water contact and allow to dry for 1 to 2 hours. So basically a long-term tire protection in between CarPro Pearl and Blackout. I know many people were not too happy with Blackout, but again, Blackout had its shortcomings, but if you got it right, it performed pretty well. If you didn't get it prepped right, then it had its, like I said, its shortcomings. Durability was all over the place. I had it last 3 months. I had it last for 6 months, so it was kind of all over the place kind of thing. If this one lasts 3 months consistently, then I think they have a winner here. Pretty liquidy consistency here. You can see from the bottle here. So interested to try that. And then he sent me the new triggers here. So these are for the sample size bottles. These are like Adams has these. They used to. You take this little blue thing here off. It's a lock, and then you use it. And then here's a little pump piece. I guess this is for Dark Side. For the tire product, you can just squirt on here. I probably won't use it. I'll try it, but I suspect I won't be using it in there when I use it. Looks like I'm probably going to be using a regular tire applicator piece. And then here's the new triggers that they offer. Similar to the Griot style nozzles here. You know, they're very adjustable here, so pretty comfortable in the hand. They don't bite you in the back here, so hopefully these triggers don't die off, because the previous triggers just had nothing but problems. And I don't know, I went through so many dead triggers. I just kept chucking them on the side because they would last. They would just fail. So we'll try these out. So these are the brand new products here. So we'll try dark side. I'll probably try dark side on my brother's car here. I'm probably testing one of my dad's tires, because I just dressed mine for on the Grand Prix, and the ones on the Camaro are dressed. But I don't really drive the Camaro that often, so it's not a real good judge. So I might just put one tire with dark side on my dad's, just to kind of test it out in comparison to that Jess Car Tire and Trim, which has been probably really the longest lasting water-based tire dressing that I've used. So we're going to go ahead and try dark side, and then I'll put this on a carpet here. We'll try this out here. Maybe I can probably do at least a couple sets of carpets on there, because I normally don't use that kind of stuff. I normally just clean the carpet, and then like I said, I normally don't put anything on there. And then we'll try Reload 2.0. So I'll put this on, I can put this on the test panel in comparison to the previous version. We can see how hydrophobic it is, and I'll test it as a topper as well eventually. And then we have Release. I gotta figure out how to use Release. Like I said, you can use it as a quick detailer. It says on the thing here. We'll put that on the test panel as well. We'll see how it does on there. Like I said, if you want torture testing kind of stuff, this is not the channel. I don't believe in torture testing. That's really just a short-term test for really just testing the chemical resistance of the product. But if you maintain your products, your car very well, these products will last a long time. You don't have to go all that aggressive stuff on there. So like I said, we'll take a look at these, and then we'll see how they compare like I said, we'll compare this version to the previous version. I used the previous version of fabric. That was such a long time ago. Like I said, I don't have any anymore, because I rarely use fabric coatings. But I'm really interested in Reload 2.0 and Dark Side. Those are like the two products that really caught my eye. Release, not so much, because I have a garage. So when I coat my car, I just leave it in here for like a day or two, then I'll pull it outside. And I never actually put Reload on top of my Sequartz coatings, unless I was doing a customer's car. So I got to figure out how to do that. I'm going back and forth on which coating to put on the Grand Prix, so that kind of just know that going forward. I haven't decided what to put on there. I have an idea, and if I do have an idea on that, then I can actually go ahead and use a Release. But for now, we'll test all these individually, and we'll see how they go. All right, enough babbling. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Post a comment on which product you're really interested to try from the new CarPro lineup here. Are you interested? I mean, almost are we going to be interested in Reload? That's like the main one. And then we'll see how, like I said, for me, it's Reload is the most interesting one, and then Dark Side is the most interesting one. But just post your thoughts down below. I'm really curious to hear what you guys think. And yeah, we'll crank these out one by one. All right, so again, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.